Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Canadian Tire. So let's get started. Right here, once you go into the website, what you do want to do right away is register. On the top right hand corner of your screen, you're going to see register and sign in. So if you already have a sign in, go ahead, or else register. Now, why do I recommend registering? Well, that way you guys can always look up the order status of anything. So that's why I always recommend registering if you're ordering anything online. So right now we can just scroll through the website and see what's out there. So for example, let's just go up to here and check out what they're selling on their electronics. Although they're not really known for that many electronics, we can take a look at them. So right now as I scroll down, let's say you guys would like to buy some batteries, a shaver maybe, or even this electric fireplace. Doesn't matter, just click on anything and then you can add it to your cart, or you can add it to your cart right away. So to add it to your cart, on the bottom, you're gonna see add to cart. So I can just do that. And once I add it to my cart, sometimes this will tell me the closest store to me. Sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it didn't. So right here, I can just check other stores. And then on the bottom, you will see add to cart again. Plus, we can always click on estimate shipping fees if you want this to be shipped and not pick it up. But anyways, at this point in time, if you really do want to add this to your cart, just click again on add to cart. That's just going to confirm that you're adding it in there, and you can keep shopping around or just continue to your cart and be done with this. In this case, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're just going to continue to cart to get this done. And at this point, if I scroll down, I'm going to see ship to home as my second option. I'm going to click right there, put in my postal code. Then I'm going to go into search. I'm going to close this up. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to see this. I'm going to see exactly how much that's going to cost me. So it's going to cost me $6 if I want this shipped to my house. Of course, if you change your mind, you want to save yourself that money. Maybe you're really close to Canadian Tire. Why not? Just pick it up in store. So we're just going to pick up our first option, and that's just going to be free. That's also going to tell us when we can pick it up. So most likely it's going to be a next day type of thing, and just around the same time that you're ordering this. Now keep in mind on the top, you can always type in your triangle rewards. So that's very important if you want to use any of your rewards or collect some rewards, which if you already signed in, you might not even see that at the moment. But for now, we're just going to click on down here below on the right hand side. We're going to see checkout. And again, if you have not created an account, not signed in yet, I highly suggest doing so. You're going to see that on the top left hand side of your screen. Just sign in. Once you do so, you can fill out all this information. So just put your payment information, which is your credit card, your billing address, city, postal code, country, and then on the right hand side, we can just complete our order. However, let's say you do have some money that you can use. You're gonna see that on the left hand side. Once you sign in and you have a card, this will pop up, whatever balance you have on the left hand side once again. So you can redeem your Canadian Tire money. So I have $10 right now. So I can just type in what I want to use. Maybe I just want to use $5 out of that. Or maybe I want to use the max amount. So all the $10 with 30 cents from there. And then I can just apply that to my purchase by clicking right here. Once I click there, it should tell me that this has been applied to my purchase. I could remove that if I change my mind. However, I'm going to leave that for now. And back again on the right hand side, I should see something like this. So at this point in time, I should see here my taxes. And here's my CT money. So that means this has been deducted, and now all I have to do is pay $23.59. So right now I'm just going to complete my order. Once I complete my order, I should see an order number. So take a screenshot of that, scroll all the way down, and you should be able to see exactly how much you paid. And you can go ahead and click on text me when this is ready, or just wait for that email. What I suggest is always clicking on text me. And if you do that, it's just going to ask you for your phone number. Once you put in your phone number, just text me. It's going to say text updates on. So finally, once this is ready for pickup, you will get that text plus that email. So you're going to be getting both things, not just the email, once you guys can go on and pick this up from the store. By the way, curbside is still available at most places, so you can just park and then just follow the instructions at your local Canadian Tire. As for this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.